What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having an amazing day as always. Today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the quick shifter. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. If you're new, join the family. Yeah. Also guys, this is still on the old mic. I am getting that new mic soon, so bear with me. I'm going right now to pick up the oil filter for the first oil change on the ZX4R. So I found a local dealer, motorcycle dealership, that said they do have the oil filter for about $8 in stock. So I'm running over there to pick it up, and after that I will tell you guys right all about the quick shifter. Hey man, how's it going? Good, good. I called for the oil filter for the oil filter? What bike? ZX4RR, please. How much are your black spools?
Let me see what thread pitch you're running on your bike.
Please. Here we go, guys. We got the oil filter for the bike, so I guess it's BM0303, so it's the same as the Ninja 400 filter, I think, because the KN was 303 as well, so maybe this is the same filter as the Ninja 400, and I've been freaking out, and now I ended up with some random, you know, filter, but it's whatever. I got some spools as well, so we can put them on the bike. And guys, so biggest thing about the quick shifter, as you can see, it's right down here, but biggest thing about the quick shifter is you got to understand, some quick shifters, they have auto blip down as well, and some quick shifters, they only go up. So when you have a quick shifter, you only need to use the clutch in first gear. So you let off the clutch, you know, in first gear, and when you start going, then you can keep shifting without using the clutch, all 6 shifts. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only from 0, you know, from neutral to 1, you need the clutch. And then on this one, you have the auto blip down as well, and what that means is you can rev matches for you. So, you know, on the Ninja 400, I would press in the clutch, rev it up, and then let go and downshift at the same time to do all that. Now all I have to do is just downshift. I don't need to rev, I don't press the gas, and I don't press the clutch either. It revs it up for you and it downshifts for you. It auto blips it, they call it. So it is amazing having the quick shifter. It's like a game-changing experience. But yeah, so this one I can just downshift, upshift, no clutch, unless you're going from 1 to neutral. You would hold in the clutch, you know, go to neutral or come to a stop, or if you're going from neutral to 1, you would need the clutch. But other than that, guys, that's why everyone's been asking, why don't you touch your clutch? You don't need it for downshifting or upshifting on this bike. I'll try to show you as much as I can on this, which is pretty cool, because you can keep, you know, you're riding with one hand, and you can downshift, upshift without, and rev match without, you know, touching the other handlebar, which is pretty cool. But I'll try to show you as much as I can in this video. But I'm not, you know, there's not much to show, because rev matching, everything, it does it for you. unlike the Ninja 400 where I was teaching you guys how to rev match. But that's why I like that my first bike, the Ninja 400, was it did not have a quick shifter, so I really learned how to shift properly. But if it did have a quick shifter, I probably would have you know, been a very noob at rev matching and everything. But I learned the right way, and now yeah, now you know what I mean. Now I can enjoy this and still know that one day I do it sometimes too. By the way, you don't have to turn off the quick shifter. I've gotten asked that as well. Do you have to turn off the quick shifter if you want to use the clutch? And that is no. Even while it's on, you can still clutch in and rev match yourself, do everything yourself. You don't need, so it's better to always just have it on, and then when you don't feel like it, or when you're in lower speeds, it's better to just clutch it in yourself and do it yourself, so you don't ruin the sensor and the clutch and fry everything up. But yeah, I hope that explains, you know, what a quick shifter is and how it works. And yeah, let me know, guys. This is off topic, but let me know, should I switch this bike to GP shift? I was thinking to switch it to GP shift. I think it's better, so when I'm upshifting, I can just keep hitting down instead of hitting up. So yeah, let me know, what do you guys think is better, GP shift or just don't mess with it, keep it normal? But yeah, thank you for the shop here. For the hookup on the filter, and get a cold start, not a cold start, but